Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of the machine learning, and in today's video we will see how we can impute the missing values in our dataset by using the scikit-learn library. In our last video we have seen how we can impute the missing values by using backward filling method, forward filling method, and mean, median, and mode method. So in today's video, we will see how we can impute these missing values by using scikit-learn library. So first of all, we have to import the libraries. The first one is pandas, the second one is seaborn, and then um, we have loaded the matplotlib, and then we have loaded our dataset, that is loan.csv, and then we are seeing the first three rows and all the columns of our dataset, and then we are seeing how many missing values are present in each column of our dataset. For example, there are 13 missing values in the gender column, 3 missing values in the merit column, 15 missing values in the dependent column. To impute these missing values, we have to import the simple imputer class from the sklearn library. So from sklearn dot import simple imputer, and then we have to make the object of this simple imputer class si is equals to simple imputer. And in simple imputer class we have a hyperparameter, that is strategy. Strategy means we have to fill the missing values by the mean of the column, by the median of the column, by the mode of the column, or by a constant value. So right now I am taking mean, and then we have to fit and transform our column that we need to impute. So here is a key point, that the simple imputer class works with only the numerical column, not with the categorical column or object column. And if you want to impute the object column, so first you have to encode that column into a numerical column. In upcoming videos we will see how we can encode those columns into the numerical column. So right now I am taking the numerical column. So we have to write si dot fit underscore transform, then dataset, and then I will give, for example, in loan amount we have 22 missing values. So we will take the loan amount column, and okay. So these here you can see that all the missing values are filled by the mean of this column. So I will convert this into the new dataset. New dataset is equals to pd dot data frame and si dot fit underscore transform, and then data set, and then loan amount, and then we have to give the column name, columns, and loan amount 2. Okay, so now we have the our new dataset, that is new dataset dot head. We are looking at the first three rows of our new dataset. So we will check how many missing values are in the new dataset. New dataset dot is null dot sum. So it is loading. Here you can see that there is no null value in this column. So by this method you can impute all the missing values in our dataset, and you can give here the multiple columns, but all those columns must be in the numerical format. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I will see you next time.